There's PLUIE. And here's this crazy squirrel. Wicked. PLUIE's like a Disney cartoon character. That's amazing. Look, there's another one, buddy. Watch out. Say hi. Say hi to squirrel. Say hi to the squirrel.
Oh, it's a squirrel.
Yeah, say hi.
Huh?
They're all coming around here looking for food. We don't have food, buddy.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah. PLUIE, that's a big pile of shit. Leave it alone. Oh, never mind. It's a big pile of asphalt. Well, NASDAQ finishes at record close. Didn't help me any though. The North Bergen track is closed for ridiculous reasons. So Juliet Amana is going to run around the lake that is in disrepair. The lake that they completely destroyed in order to rebuild to look almost exactly the same. So, that's what she will be doing today. The pigeons, yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's another squirrel. Squirrels around here are crazy. There's an oak tree. They're like all over the place. There's like one squirrel up there staring at us right now. That squirrel there. Look at that, buddy. Say hi to the squirrels. Say hi.
Hi, squirrels.
Whoa. It's like a scary show. Be careful, buddy.
Hi, squirrels.
Look at that.
Hi.
They're coming right up to you. We used to give peanuts to the squirrels when we first got here, but we haven't done it in a while. But these are like squirrels that grew up and no fear of humans whatsoever.
Squirrel.
Look who we found. Off she goes to the North Bergen woods because the track was closed. But like I was telling her, is that this 5K run I don't think is going to be on track. And now we're just sitting here on the bleachers. Yeah, look at the little Kubota. It's a little Kubota. That's like the ridiculous. Oh, there she goes. There goes Mother. Do you see Mother? Do you see Mother? Do you see Mother? There she goes. Off she goes. She's like, she found a route to run and she's off running the route as she's being followed by the Kubota.
Hi, squirrels.
Isn't that crazy?
Hi,
Look how cool. They have no fear. Look, he's putting up his hands like, oh, hi, you have a peanut for me? Yeah, sorry, buddies. Kind of a cool trick. They're wondering if your finger is a little sausage. They think you might have something in your hand, buddy. They think they think that's a treat. Look at, they're all looking up like, huh? Yeah. We were looking up and this big oak tree, there was like some in the oak tree staring at us. All right, say bye to the squirrels, buddy.
Snow White.
Yeah, I know. That's what it is.
Bye, squirrel. See you later. We'll bring back some goodies. He's having a good time. So he was playing with something, and then the monster trucks came on, and so he like dropped what he was playing with and ran over to the TV to watch the show.
Yeah. He
So
was.
now we're thinking that's why he's into the cars.
Oh yeah. He saw the,
Because all of a sudden he started really liking cars.
yeah, he heard the pre-show advertisement for the show.
Mhm.
So they had a little thing about blazing, and then he dropped what he was doing and ran over there to sit down.
Little man!
Why are you so sad, Bluey? Bluey, are you eating sugar? No, Papa. Open up your mouth, Bluey. Bluey, what color is your favorite color? Tell us. What's your favorite show, Bluey? Oh. Do you like dinosaurs, Bluey? Well, Bluey, I think it's time to go to sleep, okay, Bluey? Here, Bluey, give me a kiss.
Aww. Pairing lunches, trying to figure out what I'm going to pack for Plum for lunch. He's been a little finicky lately. Like, he doesn't really want to eat anything but like granola bars. Like, I bought these beech nut fruity oat bars. Pretty good, gluten free. Only few ingredients in there, which is always good. And I got him in strawberry and banana flavor. That's pretty much what he'll eat for lunch, and some cheese. But I'm thinking he should eat a little bit more, so I'm trying to figure out what to pack. He doesn't want sandwiches. He doesn't want waffles anymore. What should I pack him? Watermelon. That's what I'll do. Cut that up for him. So he'll have granola bars, cheese, watermelon, juice, and a pack of vegetable for him. He should do it. He's been eating a little less lately because he has his 2-year molars in the back. These things are gigantic. I think they hurt him, so that's why he's eating kind of like smaller snack-like foods. And then for Kurt's pretty easy. Kurt, chips, cookies, bubbly water, and peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So make that for him. And then ask Kurt to cut up that watermelon. Not sure if he's going to be happy about that, but for Plue, I think he'll do it. Alright, one lunch packed. Doesn't it make a difference if the watermelon's for him?
I do plenty for him. I think it's about time you did something. Even as small as that. This is so hard. Oh God, oh my God. How often that's happened. People are cutting something like that and they go, God, it's so hard.
And chop your finger off.
Not even realizing it.
No seeds.
Yeah.
It's a mutant fruit. What's a fruit without seeds, right?
Yeah. But, how... Okay,
the whole
sure,
point.
whatever, right? There it says genetic manipulation. But they've had, like, waterless or seedless watermelon since, like, way before the 80s.
Yeah, but the point is it's not natural. The whole
But how
point
were
of
they
a fruit
doing
is
it?
seeds.
But how were they doing this before they had genetic engineering?
They've been screwing around with watermelon for a while, I'm sure.
Well, they must have. I mean, they probably. I'm under the impression that they created a hybrid watermelon, using using natural ways, like just growing and growing. And probably this, I wouldn't be surprised if back in the day these were coming from plants where some of the watermelons had seeds and some of them didn't.
I don't know that that makes any sense. I think all watermelon, every fruit has seeds. That's the whole point of the fruit.
Yeah, but somehow they figured out how to make a seedless watermelon before the days of genetic engineering. So how are they doing it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Back to the Future? No, it was like hybridization.
Chunks of watermelon for Bluebird. Pretty much.
Yeah.
He loves watermelon.
Yeah. Does feel bad withholding things from him.
All set. Kurt's watching Glow and loves it. Right? Loves
Yeah, pretty good show. It's not what I expected. Kind of like the making of women's wrestling.
it. Yeah.
Oh, the story behind the making of women's wrestling.
Anyway, time to go to sleep. You got a big nose.
I do? I should just finish this. Oh, this is the last of them.
Last watermelon.
Then, huh?
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night. Can you do that effect? Just like,
No.
goes like that.
No.
Oh.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.